Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create your Google AdSense account. Let's get into the video. So once you get into the Google AdSense official website, you simply click on what get started. So after which you simply need to choose the email address you want to use for this your Google AdSense account. So I'll choose the first one. So after which you insert your website here if you have a website. So if you don't yet have a website, you simply check out this one. So after which you click here or leave it like that. So I'm going to choose my country. So scroll down. So okay. So after choosing your country, you scroll down and you simply need to read this out. So I'm going to check this box, after which I'll click on what start using AdSense. Okay, so guys, we just successfully created our Google AdSense account, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.